Dear students, this is Afsana, Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is spelling practice book, page number 20 to 23. I have written here SPB. Students, just look, I have written here SPB, that means spelling practice book. Let's start our class. Students, just look, this is our book, spelling practice book. So SPB. Now let's start our class. At first, page number is 20. Here we just see Q. There are some words here, and just look, three pictures are given here, and under the picture we have to write the name of the pictures. Okay, so Q4, some words are given here. What are they? Quill, queen, quilt, quiver, QE, quarter. So the first picture, what is this? This is the picture of a queen. Q-U-E-E and queen. Q-U-E-E and queen. Q-U-E-E and queen. So this is the picture of a queen. Now what is this? This is the picture of quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. And what is this? Just look here. Here the circle is divided into 4 parts, and out of these 4 parts, one part is called quarter. So this is quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter. Now go to page number 21. This is R. R for rabbit, red, ring, ruler, rose, and rocket. So what is this? This is the picture of a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. This is the picture of ring. R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. This is the picture of rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Now go to the next page, page number 22. S. S for star, ship, sun, swan, sofa, shell. So what is this, students? This is the picture of a ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. This is sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. And this is the picture of shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. Now go to the next page. Page number 23, the last page for today. T. T for table, teeth, top, tomato, tiger, and telephone. So look at the first picture. What is this? This is the picture of a table. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. And this is the picture of telephone. T-E-L-E, tele. T-H-O-N-E, phone, telephone. T-E-L-E, tele. T-H-O-N-E, phone. Students, you can color this picture. Okay, you can color this picture at your home. And students, now it's time for you HW. HW number 11 is fill in the blanks number 1 to 6. Fill in the blanks number 1 to 6. This is your HW. Fill in the blanks number 1 to 6. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.